A cabinet meeting was held on the 2nd of February 2022 to review the law and order situation in the state following the recent IED blast at Police Bazaar, Shillong. Addressing the media after the meeting, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that all four of those involved in the recent IED blast at Police Bazaar have been arrested, and they include supporters and sympathizers as well.
That all the people who have been involved in the recent IED blast that took place, all the people have been arrested, and investigation is on, and we will be moving forward into the network even further and going into all the people who were in touch with them also to make sure that we dig into this deep and get hold of all the people who could possibly have been a part of this or have assisted. But the people who were directly involved in the incident itself, all of them have been arrested, including the people from whom the dynamite sticks were procured, including the people who placed it and including the people who had made it. So all the people concerned have been arrested. We wanted to brief the cabinet on that.
The Chief Minister also announced that the cabinet meeting had taken a decision to slightly amend the Meghalaya Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020.
Meghalaya Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion Facilitation Act 2020 was a very minor one, where for minor offences, instead of going for imprisonment, only monetary fines would be made. So the small amendment was made in that. And in the annexure to the Act, all the products that are allowed to be marketed within the state, the list of those products were added to this. That small amendment was made.